Hello, I'm Dave Thompson. I'm the Director of Education for the Academy of Cleaning Excellence. And as you can see in this video, we're using the Tornado 16.3 auto scrubber. It's an electric unit. So whenever you're scrubbing your floor, always work away from the cord. In this way, the cord will not wrap up in your machine. This process can be used on any powered equipment that you might operate. Now, the cylindrical brush unit is best used on quarry tile floors, but here we're using it on a smooth floor. So to adjust your brushes, you use this lever, and putting it in either position will give you transport or usage. Now, the squeegees must be placed on the floor by using this foot switch or pulled up in order to transport. Handle down, the bail up, and remove your tanks. In order to remove the tanks from each other, you take the locking switches on both sides, remove your top water tank, which is now empty, and recovery water is shown, and you can rinse out your tank. Now make sure that you turn your tank the right way, because with the standpipe it will not go on but one way. Lock your tanks on and put the unit back onto your machine once the tanks are clean. Now, in order to transport the unit from place to place, you'll want to lock your handle in place. And if you're using your wheels, you would use those transportation wheels, but when not in use, they can be stored on the unit. In order to remove the brushes, to clean them out, you push down on the brush, they fall out. Take your microfiber wiper, wipe the inside of the area where the brush has been. Make sure that you wipe the squeegee, check it to make sure that it floats. Also do your second side. Make sure that you wipe the squeegee, clean them out. Your squeegee is the most important part of your auto scrubber. Now when you go to put the brushes back on the unit, notice that I simply replace the brushes in the opposite way they were taken off. This way it rotates the brushes.